We've all heard the identical message for decades. Consume your eggs for protein. 2 large eggs provide you approximately 12 grams. Sounds reasonable, correct? But what if I revealed there are 5 foods in most supermarkets that can deliver superior protein quality, enhanced digestion, and additional muscle-protecting advantages that eggs simply cannot match? There are everyday foods that research demonstrates are more effective at combating sarcopenia, the muscle-wasting condition that impacts 45% of adults over 65. The surprising aspect? These aren't exotic superfoods or costly supplements. They're accessible options that most people overlook. Essential note: before implementing any significant dietary modifications, especially if you take medications or have health conditions, please consult with your physician or registered dietitian. If you're seeking practical alternatives to the same old egg recommendations, you're in the correct place. Today, we're exploring 5 protein sources that offer superior nutrition for seniors, along with realistic methods to incorporate them into your daily routine. Here's what many don't understand. After age 50, we lose 1 to 2% of our muscle mass annually. By 70, you could have lost 20–30% of your strength. This explains why everyday activities become more challenging. Rising from chairs, carrying groceries, maintaining balance. The encouraging news? Research reveals your body can still develop muscle at 60, 70, even 80+ years old with proper nutrition and approach. You just need better fuel than what most people are obtaining. 1. Nutritional yeast, the B vitamin champion. Let's begin with nutritional yeast, which offers complete protein plus exceptional nutritional advantages. Realistic portion: 2 to 3 tablespoons daily provides 8 to 12 grams of complete protein, comparable to 1 large egg but with superior amino acid availability. Because nutritional yeast is created through fermentation, the protein is partially pre-digested, making it easier for aging digestive systems to absorb. It contains all essential amino acids, with particularly elevated levels of lysine for muscle protein synthesis. The B vitamin benefit: 2 tablespoons provide approximately 150–300% of daily B12 requirements. Amounts vary by brand. B12 deficiency affects up to 20% of adults over 60, contributing to weakness and fatigue. Flavor and usage: naturally cheesy, nutty taste. Begin with 1 tablespoon sprinkled on soup, salad, or popcorn. Gradually increase to 2 to 3 tablespoons daily. Where to locate? Most grocery stores carry it in the health food or baking aisle. Brands like Bragg's cost around $8 to $12 and last several weeks. Caution: high B12 content may interact with certain medications. Consult your physician if you take blood thinners or diabetes medications. 2. Hemp hearts, the digestible complete protein. These small, shelled seeds provide easily absorbed protein with an ideal fat profile. Realistic portion: 3 tablespoons daily gives you 10 grams of complete protein plus beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Hemp hearts contain edestin, a protein that's particularly easy to digest, important for seniors whose digestive enzymes naturally decline with age. The 3.1 omega-6 to omega-3 ratio helps reduce inflammation that can accelerate muscle loss. Additional advantages: high in magnesium, important for muscle function, and arginine, supports circulation. The natural oils help with nutrient absorption. Flavor and usage: mild, nutty taste, similar to sunflower seeds. Sprinkle on yogurt, blend into smoothies, or consume plain as a snack. Where to locate? Most grocery stores stock them near nuts and seeds. Expect to pay $12.15 per bag, which provides approximately 15. Iron bonus: 1 teaspoon provides approximately 11% of daily iron requirements in a gentle, non-constipating form. Important since iron deficiency contributes to fatigue in many seniors. Flavor and usage: mild, slightly earthy taste. Best blended into smoothies with fruit or mixed into juice. Begin with 1 teaspoon daily. Where to locate: health food stores, some pharmacies, or online. Powder form costs $15–25 and lasts 2 to 3 months. Important: may interact with autoimmune medications or blood thinners. Avoid if you have phenylketonuria, PKU. 4. Amaranth, the complete grain. This ancient grain provides complete protein plus fiber and minerals. Realistic portion: 1 cup cooked amaranth delivers 9 grams of complete protein. Amaranth is naturally gluten-free and contains all essential amino acids, particularly elevated in lysine, often lacking in other grains. It's also rich in magnesium, phosphorus, and iron. Versatility: cook like oatmeal for breakfast, utilize in soups, or pop it in a dry pan for a crunchy snack. Where to locate: Bob's Red Mill and other brands available in most grocery stores for 4 to 6 per bag. Tip: begin with 1–2 cup cooked portions, as the fiber content may cause bloating if you're not accustomed to whole grains. 5. Canned fish, the accessible champion. Let's be practical. Canned sardines, salmon, or mackerel offer 20–25 grams of complete protein per 3.5 oz serving, plus omega-3s and vitamin D that many seniors lack. Why it surpasses eggs: higher protein density, beneficial fats, and vitamin D, which aids calcium absorption and muscle function. Budget-friendly: often $2 to $4 per can, much more economical than fresh fish. Easy preparation: no cooking required. Shelf-stable: convenient for seniors with limited energy for meal preparation. Where to locate: every grocery store. Look for varieties packed in water or olive oil. Mercury consideration: smaller fish like sardines and anchovies are lower in mercury than larger fish. Here's a practical approach that provides 45–50 grams of quality protein daily, appropriate for most seniors. Breakfast: oatmeal with 2 tablespoons hemp hearts, 10 g protein, plus fruit, mid-morning. 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast on toast or in soup, 8 g protein. Lunch: 1 to 2 can sardines on salad or crackers, 12 g protein. Afternoon: 1.2 cup cooked amaranth with vegetables, 4 g protein. Dinner: regular meal with your usual protein source. Optional: 1 teaspoon spirulina in a smoothie if tolerated, 4 g protein. Total additional protein: 38 to 40 grams from these sources. Important safety considerations begin gradually. Introduce one new food at a time, starting with small portions to assess tolerance. Medical considerations: if you take blood thinners, consult your physician before increasing foods high in vitamin K or omega-3s. Diabetes medications may require adjustment with foods that affect blood sugar. Kidney disease requires protein intake. Monitoring digestive health: increase fiber gradually and drink plenty of water to prevent digestive upset. Quality matters. Choose reputable brands and check expiration dates, especially for oils in hemp hearts. Cost comparison: where to shop. Nutritional yeast: bulk bins can be more economical. Hemp hearts: Costco or online for better prices. Spirulina: compare per serving costs, not just package prices. Amaranth: purchase in bulk or larger bags. Canned fish: stock up during sales. Most keep well. Nutritional yeast and amaranth for months. Hemp hearts in the refrigerator. Spirulina in a cool, dark place. These 5 foods aren't miracle cures, but they do offer practical advantages over relying solely on eggs for protein. Superior amino acid profiles, additional nutrients, and often enhanced digestion make them valuable additions to a